What's up, YouTube? We're out in my car's garage having a tasty, frosty beverage. I'm gonna show you a quick, easy oil leak fix. We need the gasket on the oil fill cap. It's like a few bucks online. We're gonna do it really quick. Fix this little oil seepage leak for good. Here's the part that I have. Okay, here's my cap. So it just seeps and leaks out of the fill neck. So I'm gonna clean this up with some brake clean and put this gasket on. So here's the cap, and you would think that there's no gasket on it, but it's this part in here. And it's just so flat and hard from overtime that I'm gonna have to pick it out, I think. Be careful when you're using picks like this, because they'll stab right into your hand, but I've got my pick down under it now. You can see there's oil underneath the seal. Keep picking this out. Just so hard and compressed. Just wasn't doing anything. Run the pick around it, pop it up. There she is. So the flat side of the new one goes up. There's a flat and a tapered side. My original one was flat side up, so that's how I'm gonna put this one in. Try to clean out this oil first. Get a little toothbrush, get the threads. All right, put the new one in. Here we go, flat side up. Just get it over the threads. Push that bad boy down, that's perfect. Loving it. It's gonna be great. Let me show you putting it on.
Let's go spin it on here.
That's gonna do it.
Feels good.
Perfect. I'm happy about that. I've been meaning to do that for years now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Hope this helps you out. Get that oil leak solved. So thanks. Peace.